Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
You can't be soft. We handle our business, we bust our gun. Straight bullets get tossed around, people get hit. I'm a Crip. If anybody step into my vicinity, I'm going at you to the fullest extent. Gangland.
The Crips.
I'm the Crip right here. Everybody.
This notorious gang is known for its flashy lifestyle and violent ways.
You come around over here, we gonna tear your head off.
The Crips were spawned in Los Angeles. 10,000 Crips run these streets, making the gang one of LA's biggest. OMG asked to have his real name withheld for his own protection. He has been banging with the Crips since he was 14 years old.
What makes me a Crip is I'll eat, think, sleep, Crip. That's the only thing I know is Crippin'.
In 2004, OMG proved his allegiance by going on a hunt for bloods.
We was driving in the car. I had my gun and we was going to shoot a rival gang member. There was a blood. It didn't really matter who. Just a rival. Just main object was getting rid of one of them.
Before he fired a shot, his car was pulled over by the police. OMG was charged with illegal possession of a concealed weapon and sentenced to 18 months.
It's just things you gotta do. There ain't nothing the Crip won't do when it comes to his set. Right? He gonna stab you. He is gonna stab you. That's what DNA set for to do, to hurt people.
For East Coast Crips, New York is the only place they call home.
Future for the Crips in New York is only like, it could only get better. You understand? We just gonna keep grinding. We gonna grind until we get to the top, no matter which way we gotta go, legit way or the not legit way.
I'm gonna be 150 years old, still banging this. This is from the cradle to the grave, point blank, you know what I mean? From day one till the end of me.
If I could say one thing about Crip, I'd say don't with them.